What do you think is going to break first if you can see me? Chassis, wheels, or shocks? Comment down below and let me know. Alright, go ahead. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we got something different. We're not in a garage, we're not in a field, and we're not working on a car. But we're in my basement and I have something different for you. This is Dr. Hopper. One. Our new family pet. We've had him for a couple weeks. We're kind of taming him. But he's a big chinchilla breed, I guess. And he will grow to be 14 to 20 pounds. And he kind of likes to chill out and be fat. Kind of like me. But I got something else for you. Oh, Jesus. This is different. So as you guys just saw, I got a slash. Now, I've never really seen them in any other colors than red and the orange that you see on the end. And I had to get the green, so green and black. That's just me. Now I haven't seen it on the outside, but I'm gonna bring you along for it. Now, some of you may know, but this is the brushed version with the XL5 ESC. Well, we got a little something for it. The Valenian brushless system. Now, yes, I could have probably spent the same amount of money on getting a brushless one, but hey, let's take it out of the box brushed and see what it does. Pick or something. Open it up. I don't know why I'm doing both ends. But I am. This end. Got the remote. Just your normal traxxas remote. Okay. Oh. I don't want to. Oh, this looks so good. Oh, holy crap, that looks so good. Like you have no idea. Holy crap. Like, the box does nothing. Oh my. If there's anything else in there. No? I'm gonna set it all down. Oh. Just, oh man, I'm in love with it. Holy crap. Wow. Now, oh man. Yes, my buddy has a couple of these. He wanted to get me into this with him. So took the plunge and went for it. Well, wow, my knife was sitting there the whole time. Good, way to go. No. That was a zip tie. Oh man. I'm just, oh. And as you can probably see, no, this is not my first RC, but this is the first one to our channel. And I'm just, what the hell? Wow. They have a garden? I've never got one new, so this is my first, or never got a slash new. And just, oh man. I think I'll charge this up. See what it does. And since we got a chance, cool bag. Alright, so things that come in the box. You have some catalog or sales catalogs for traxxas, which is fine. I'm a little upset though. I mean, maybe it's just me being a little bit older. Obviously I'll go through that. That'll give you all your specs and stuff. Maybe I'm missing something, but honestly, that's fine and all. The problem I have is there's no sticker sheet. Like, probably a little bright because of my light, but they used to give sticker sheets. I had a Stampede when I was younger. It came with it. I don't know why they don't anymore. Maybe that's just me. But take it back to this real quick. We all know it's got the Traxxas radio. It does not come with batteries, but it came with a battery and charger. If you haven't or couldn't tell from previous videos, green is my favorite color. Blue is my wife's favorite color, so this kind of just clicks all the boxes. She might like it, probably won't. Just like I said before, this is box stock. It is brushed, and it is 4-wheel drive. So we're gonna see what it can do. Just basically on its battery. It's battery straight out of the box, and what it can do on a 2-cell and on brushed. Then in the next video on it, do an upgrade and see if we, I know it'll be faster, we all know it'll be faster, but it'd be cool just to see how much it's gonna change between brushed, brushless, same gearing, same everything. So we'll see. All right guys, so you guys saw the unboxing. If you're still around, we're gonna run this thing on the nickel metal hydrate or NIM battery that it came with out of the box. We're gonna run it around here. My buddy's got his truck that is the brushless slash, mine is the brushed, and we're gonna see how long the battery lasts on mine because it's the NIM battery, and then we're gonna go to the LiPo 2-cell or 2S that I have for my crawlers and everything, and we'll see how long the battery lasts with that, and maybe we'll get some sweet jumps around here. Maybe we'll jump over you guys. I don't know yet. on. You ready? Yep. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, Jesus. Ha ha. See. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. My bad. Oh. This is where he's trying to go. Hold on. What do you think is going to break first, if you can see me? Chassis, wheels, or shocks? Comment down below and let me know. All right, go ahead. Jesus. You literally just missed the camera. So it survived. And it seems to be fine. Since somebody decided to break his. I think you have needle nose in there. And mine's dead. Oh, look at how dirty you got. Oh, I can't believe you talked me into this. I can't believe you talked me into this. No, well, it's a beautiful paint job. Now, that whole time, I would say that was about 25 minutes run time on that. And, oh, that's warm. That's not too bad. That's hot. Very. It's not too hot out today. Oh boy. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, that's the proper way to do it. Yeah, it's tight. In what universe? Hey,
I already got wobble on the rear shaft on the rear left.
I wonder why.
Rear right has wobble.
No idea why. No? That is an Ovonics 6200 2-cell 50C discharge rate. This thing should move quite a bit faster than it was. This is 3,000, so almost double the mAh, or milliamps an hour. Okay, I'm gonna have to shine this thing up. Hey, you know. All right, guys, it's a little dusty, but we'll catch you back at the house. We're gonna play for a little bit more. Beat the hell out of these things. Catch you back at the house. So we're gonna play with these things some more. These little traxxas. What the? That's one person driving. Okay, he's doing a crappy job at this. But we're gonna play with them for a little while. My honest review on my Slash, it takes a beating. His obviously takes a beating. We got some weather rolling in on us now, and hopefully we can get some fun out of these before it gets too bad. But all in all, like, comment, and subscribe. It'll be worth it to watch the upgrades on the Slash I got and the parts that are coming with it. I'll show you when I get them, and see if we can continue breaking them more. So see you guys later. What's up, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Today we're gonna work on this 1979 K20, the field find. Some of you, which greatly appreciate you guys watching that last video,